Hi guys, I'm Judy and welcome to my channel! For today's video, join me in my first time on field film testing of Tilta Float with Sony A1. Now, let's get all the gear! First, we get our studio light tripod. As you can see, the baby pin docking adapter is already attached because I pre-balanced it already this morning in the campsite. And let's find a safe place to balance our Tilta Float. Let's put sandbag because it's super windy here, and the studio light stand is not safe because it's too light. Now, let's hang the Tilta system post with V-mount battery. Then we put the DJI RS2 with VIMEO cable. And let's get my baby! Make sure to remove the lens cap before balancing. This is Sony A1, it's brand new, that's why I'm super nervous hanging it to anything. I'm having paranoia. And now, the hardest part is balancing.
After 1 hour.
Oh my! I go crazy balancing and then I finally figure it out that I forgot to put the mini tripod. Jeez. Because I pre-balanced this already with it this morning. I will leave this feet open so that I can easily put this down when I get tired. Once everything is attached in the studio light stand, now the goal is to balance the horizontal of the Tilta system post until it floats. After we achieve the horizontal balance, now we need to balance the roll of the Tilta system post. If it's not going back fast upright, then we need to slide backward a little bit the whole DJI RS2 to the system post base plate. Tons of patience needed in balancing this because we need to remove the whole system post over and over again until we balance the roll of Tilta system post. Let's put it back. I think I'm okay now with the roll. It's not too perfect, but it will do for now. Now it's time to turn on the DJI RS2 gimbal, but before you turn it on, make sure to align the gimbal and camera to its position, like this. If you don't do this first, the whole gimbal and Tilta Float will go crazy. I think I'm happy with the result. It finally floats. Time to lose some calories. I will wear now the Tilta Float system support vest. Keep an eye to the Tilta system arm because it will knock off your face or worse, your camera lens if you don't watch out. This strap is too long for me. I need to alter this or find something shorter. Maybe I'm just too short for this job. Yay! Let's rock and roll!
It's time to do a real man job.
Let's go! This is not an easy job. I feel like an octopus. Needs to mind all my arms where it will go. Let's hook now the system post to the system arm. Come on. Yeah. There's something wrong. Let me think. I can't work it out. Haha, got it. This post should be on my right side. Few checking to make before we walk. First, stress test the rosette mount where the system arm is connected. When you're 100% sure that it's attached properly, then we're good to go. And this is where you will hold lightly just to guide the arm and the post so that it will keep in front, because when you walk it tends to go left and right.
First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Fourth shot. Fifth shot.
Oh, it's super windy down here in the beach, and I noticed the gimbal is having a hard time to stay in the middle. So I decided to recalibrate it and change the setting in DJI RS2. Enough playing, back to work!
And my last shot of the day.
Here's the raw footage as result of our first test using Tilta Float with Sony A1. I don't apply any color correction and stabilization on these footages, so please enjoy! If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Please comment what you think and any video topics you want me to make.
Thank you very much!
Subscribe now.